Welcome to another grocery haul. This time from Whole Foods, one of my favorite stores. I got dragon fruit smoothie packs. I love to add these to my smoothies. Add a lot of nutrition, but the color is this like vibrant pink. It's so pretty. It will even make your green smoothies purple. I got some apples. I love to slice them really thin and have them with hummus or baba ganoush. I got some Mellow Miso paste. This is kind of a more expensive item, but it lasts a really long time, and I want to use it in different cheeses. I want to make some different vegan cheeses, like with cashews and different types of sauces and dips and stuff. And miso adds like kind of a depth of flavor. Got some silken tofu, which is good in smoothies. Also, like different kinds of creams and sauces. Like there are different things you can use with the silken tofu. Extra firm tofu, just egg, which is a vegan egg. It's a liquid. You use it just like you would egg whites or eggs. It's made from mung beans. I'm not the biggest fan, but the reason why I got it is because I need to do a comparison, because I also bought mung beans, split mung beans to be specific. They're called Moong Dal, split mung beans. That's the main ingredient in just egg. So I am going to work on a recipe. I know there have been some floating around on TikTok and such, but I'm gonna work on one and I'll be sharing that with you soon. Just Egg also makes these pre-made patties that are in the frozen section. And these I actually like a lot more. They just come like this. And you just can pop them in the toaster, or put them in your microwave, or put your oven, toaster oven, whatever. Heat it up and you make it a sandwich as quickly as, you can say sandwich or whatever. Comes together in no time. You know what I'm saying. I get trumpet mushroom. I've seen so many. I haven't really made things like meaty things with the mushrooms and stuff, but this type of mushroom, it's called a trumpet mushroom. You take a fork and like kind of pull it apart. It kind of comes apart like, and then into like strands and stuff, like almost like pulled pork kind of thing. And some people have used it to use that as sort of a meat substitute in that way, and just adding the spices and flavors. It just has such a nice texture. So I'm gonna make some of those things with this trumpet mushroom. Trumpet mushroom. Okay, Sharon. Trumpet mushrooms. This is Baby Belle cheese. They just came out with a plant-based version. People are going mental. Most of us, we enjoyed these things before we went vegan. So like, why would we suddenly be like, well, if something comes out that's similar to that, I'm not gonna try it. No, sometimes we're gonna try it. Of course we're gonna try it. I wanna share with you the experience here. So it comes in a little thing, just like it does. It's just the same as the dairy one is. And it has the little thing here. It's in this, thing of waxy stuff. And you have where you just pull that apart here. And it's very satisfying and nostalgic to do that. And then you open it up and there it is. And then you taste it and you're like, But I have to say, it's not terrible. It's just not good, but it's not bad. If it was like, if I was starving, if I, hadn't eaten all day or something, whatever, and this was like in the bottom of my bag, I'd be like, maybe I'll eat it. So I'm gonna try it again here just to see if I have a different experience or thought. It's not really good. I have a friend who likes it. I have another friend who doesn't like it. And all my other friends haven't had it. And those other friends are vegan. But they want to try it. But I'm thinking, you know, don't bother. Sorry, this is a don't bother for me, so you're welcome. Got some more feta crumbles. I'm going to make the TikTok viral baked feta pasta recipe soon, and so I'm going to try using these in that recipe. I got some brown rice, and I love this short grain brown rice. Short grain brown rice is my favorite. It just has a nice chew to it. It's really nice. Got better than bouillon. Delicious to add to flavor soups, rice, grains, lentils. I love to have like just brown rice and lentils like as a meal with like some veggies or something like that. Just a simple meal. It's just so satisfying and hearty. They have a bunch of different flavors. They have a couple different ones that are vegan. This one is the vegetarian, no chicken based vegan. I got some Mary's crackers, and these are really delicious too. Good to serve with olives, vegan cheese, and a little charcuterie board. I got oat flour, some chickpea flour, coconut flour. I've been making pancake with these flours combination. So good. That'll be coming soon too. Subscribe or click the bell notification. You'll be right in the loop when that comes out. So yeah, so that's gonna come out soon. Probably in the next couple weeks. Yeah, this is really good. Who doesn't love a pancake recipe? I mean, come on. Pancakes are so good. The only thing that's better than pancakes are waffles. And I don't have a waffle iron, so I can't make waffles. Maybe I'll get a waffle iron for Christmas or for my birthday, or I don't know, something. I got a Japanese sweet potato. I got some Miyoko's smoked English farmhouse cheddar, intense and smoky, and it really is. It's delicious. It is so good. And the main ingredient is cashews. And I like this one doesn't have like oil in it. Like a lot of the cheeses have like coconut oil. This one is fully cashew based. It is so good. It is so good. It is like probably my favorite cheese. Definitely in this category. Put it that way. And speaking of cheeses, this is my favorite in this category, which is a Parmesan style cheese. And this is from BioLife, and it comes in this block, just like you would buy Parmesan cheese. It grates beautifully, and it's so good. You'll see it in some upcoming videos for sure, because I love to use it, and you can just like use it very sparingly, really, and it's just so much, little adds so much flavor to a meal, or to a dish or something, or like, it's just so good. That's it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it's helpful. I thought sometimes it's good to know like what people buy to make healthy or delicious or plant-based meals, and so I thought this would be helpful. And let me know in the comments below what you thought. If there's some other things you'd like to see here on the channel, and love for you to like if you like, and subscribe if you want to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye. I'm really excited to make a smoothie. Maybe I'll make a smoothie for dinner tonight. I don't know. Maybe you think I should make a smoothie for dinner tonight? I am really excited to do this test. Homemade or store-bought? That's going to be the test. We're going to see who wins very soon. Dun, dun, dun. The showdown. The Just Egg showdown. Oh, the stands are, people in the stands are going crazy.